Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Lido Loca. I'm your host, Tony, and today I'm going to show you what I'm packing for my Royal Caribbean cruise. That's right, some of you guys may have thought I cut it close to the wire, but no way. I got at least 20 hours left before I have to leave for my cruise, and I got it all done. I'm going to show it to you in 3 ways. I'll show you the clothes, the toiletries, and the camera gear. Make sure you stay until the end. If you're brand new, if you like staying up to date with everything that's going on in cruising, please consider subscribing with the notification bell on. Now let's take a look at the clothes. All right, here we go. I got 2 pairs of shoes. I got a backpack, an umbrella, an assortment of socks, 12 pairs of underpants, 2 swim trunks, 2 rash guards, 9 t-shirts, a total of 6 pairs of shorts. I've got 2 sets of long pants, and then I've got about 6 kind of formal shirts for dinners. And I got 2 suitcases. I got 3 hats. Got this tiny suitcase. I got this big suitcase. Got these 3 hats. And I still have another outfit that I'm going to wear to the airport and another pair of shoes and a belt. But yeah, that's it clothes-wise. So I'm going to distribute these clothes between these 2 suitcases. This one will be checked in, and this one will come with me on the plane. Yeah, I think I'll have this done pretty soon. But I think I'm pretty good clothes-wise. The only thing I don't have is my aqua socks, my water shoes. I ordered a new pair and they don't fit, so there's that. All right, we've got the big suitcase packed with plenty of room. Now we just have to get this stuff into this suitcase. All right, and there we go. Leaving room for my toiletry. All right, here's the toiletry lineup. We've got lint brush, deodorant, some sanitizer, 2 different kinds of sunscreen. Got some 100 for the face, some spray 50. We got a Tide stick, beard brush, fingernail clippers. You got the regular brush, wrinkle release, some Zyrtec, some cologne, vitamins, BP medicine, toothpicks, first aid kit, trimmer, toothbrush, toothpaste. I think that's it. I think I can live with that. Just got to get it all in the bag, and yeah, that's done. All right, here is the lineup for the cruise from a camera perspective. We've got first the cell phone. Probably do a lot with the phone. We got the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the old standard, and then we've added the GoPro 9. Both of the GoPros will be good for water, for time lapse. We've got the Osmo Pocket. This is good stabilized walk and talk. Get footage real kind of low-key, and then doing a lot of vlogging with the Sony A7C with the 20mm lens. But yeah, I mean, they've got to have batteries and all that other stuff, but at its core, this is the technology lineup. It's almost cruise day. Yeah, so I got it all. I'm sure there'll still be a few more things that make it into the bag. I also want to talk about the red folder and my travel documentation. Make sure you print out everything. Have a digital copy, but also have a hard copy, a paper copy, just in case. Got my passport, my immunization card. I think I'm good to cruise. 48 hours from now, I'll be on a cruise ship. That's a good reason to be subscribed. I'll be going live from the cruise ship. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching the show. Please show your support by hitting the like button, or I'm going to put one of your GoPro batteries in the laundry. It's a true story. Till the next time, Tony with Lido Loca. We'll see you on the Lido. Bye.